Hello and welcome friends. I am Sarthak Singh and I have cleared the UPSC Civil Services exam twice in 2022 and in 2024. So clearing UPSC exam, getting into the final list is a direct product of your mains performance. The better you write in mains, the more marks you score in mains, you become more capable enough to get into the final list. So we have to prepare for mains. What is needed is testing yourself and writing yourself. So what we are doing on 1st of June this year, on 1st of June Sunday, I will be writing a test along with all of you people, those who enrolled to write the test on 1st of June, and we will be writing a composite mains test. So what is included in this composite mains test? This will include your essay. One essay would be there, then few questions from GS1, few questions from GS2, few from GS3 and few from ethics. So this is the composite mains test. That would be the common denominator between you and me. I will also be writing this test in the same time, in the same exam hall as you. And when all of you write, after that we will be discussing that what all can be implemented in your answers so as to enrich them, so as to make them better. When you get them answer evaluated from me, you will realize the shortcomings that you were doing in your mains answer writing. So I am not suggesting you any model solutions, any idealistic solutions that are more than the word limit, that will require more than the space that is given by the UPSC. But what I am telling you is the real implementable thing that I will be implementing in the exam hall along with you on the same limited answer sheet, on the same limited time, and then we would be discussing as to how should our preparation be to improve our levels and improve our marks in the mains exam. Having cleared it 2 times and appearing for the interview 3 times, I have realized that previous year questions have to be the backbone of your UPSC mains preparation. Without solving the previous year questions of mains, your preparation is incomplete and you cannot clear prelims without solving the previous year questions. So please focus on solving previous year questions and getting yourself evaluated and getting a feedback from your mentors, from your teachers, from your acquaintances if you have any selected candidate as an acquaintance, or you can come to me. No worries about that. I will be evaluating your answers. But what we need to do is to write. And apart from this composite mains test, so since we will write together, we will evaluate each other's answer copies. You will also get to evaluate my answer copy which I will write with you. So you will improve as a result. You will get to know that what all is to be written in the exam hall, in the mains exam hall for each topic. The approach for GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4 is slightly different, and we would be discussing all these approaches, all these answer templates that we use while writing the mains answers. And also some people, every year some people struggle with the essay scores, so we will be discussing on how to write a good essay so that UPSC awards you marks. The mains exam has evolved a lot in past 2-3 years, and in past 2-3 years I have got the selection twice. So friends, without wasting any time, let us start preparing for the mains 2025